finally, we need to create the construction planes so that we can use them for our target. Step number 1, let us calculate list length. How many faces we have. Second, sequence, series. We're going to connect this one over here. And at the output of this list of numbers, we are going to vector and create a point. Notice the points are created right here. On top of each one of those points, we also want to add an XY construction plane. This plane will be the target, but we need to move them apart, and that's the step value. So double click on the canvas from 1.25, since we are working in millimeters, and notice that as soon as I start increasing this value, all the construction planes go apart. So now we can connect this one over here, and voila. Now we have all those faces and roll on the floor. So orient is right here, and under sets sequence we find the series. Perfect. I hope you find this tutorial useful for your workflow.